constantly seeing people on my For You page pairing bulldog ramen with Dave's, Wingstop, and so many other foods, and every single time I think I really want that. So here we are. So let's dig right in. I want to have their mac and cheese first. That's so good. That combination, whoa, that is so freaking good. Okay, I always see people put honey on it. I'm not a huge honey person. And some Dave sauce. The honey on it, 10 out of 10. Their mac and cheese is so good. Last bite. Cheers. All right, my loves, that was absolutely delicious. I'm gonna go get my husband and he's gonna be very excited about how much is left over. But anyways, my loves, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.